Hi, welcome back to my channel. AniFun AI is a smart AI-based platform that makes creating anime and manga content simple and enjoyable for everyone. It enables users to produce stunning anime-style images, characters, and scenes by using text descriptions and easy customization tools. Even without any drawing or animation experience, users can quickly transform their ideas into attractive visuals. AniFun AI includes features for character design, manga creation, and creative artwork, making it suitable for both beginners and digital creators. Thanks to its clean interface and powerful AI technology, AniFun AI is perfect for anime lovers, storytellers, and content creators who want fast and creative results. It reduces the time and effort required for design work, allowing users to focus more on creativity, imagination, and storytelling instead of technical skills. AI Anime Tools. These tools generate anime-style artwork and characters instantly based on user descriptions. AI Manga Tools. These tools help create manga pages with panels, text bubbles, and layouts in an easy way. AI Video Tools. This feature converts images or written ideas into engaging animated videos with smooth motion. OC Maker. OC Maker lets users design and personalize original characters by adjusting looks, clothes, and emotions. Language. The language option allows users to work in multiple languages for better accessibility and ease of use. Now, we click on AI Anime Tools. From the different options, we select AI Anime Art Generator, then we click on Create AI Anime Art for free. After that, we click on Upload Image and choose the image we want to use. Next, we select the image size. Now, we move to the model section where many different models are available. We can choose any one of them. We selected the Dream Shaper model. We can also choose from Loris if needed. After completing all the settings, we click on Generate. The image generation process starts. This is the original image, and this one is the AI-generated image. You can regenerate the image if you want, and you can also download it. As you can see, the image has been successfully downloaded. Now, we select Photo to Anime. We click on Create My Photo to Anime. After that, many different filters appear on the screen. Now we click on Upload, select our photo from the available filters. We choose the oil painting filter. We click on Generate. The photo is transformed using the selected filter. We can download the generated image just like we downloaded this one here. As you can see, the image has been successfully downloaded. We also have the option to share the generated image with others. Now we click on the AI Manga Generator. Here we can write any story or script of our choice. We can select any model from the available options. We can also choose any panel template. Select a style according to our preference. After completing all the settings, we click on Generate, and the AI manga creation process begins. As you can see, our manga has been successfully generated. We can download the manga and also share it with others. Now, we select the AI video generator. In the script box, we can write anything we want, such as opinions, expressions, or any other text, and the script can be edited or changed at any time. After writing the script, we can choose any style from the available options. We can also select the video ratio, voice, and background music according to our preference. Once everything is set, we click on Generate, and the video creation process starts. As you can see, our video has been successfully generated. You can watch it.
The mender fixed broken things. A boy brought a shattered toy. She repaired it with kindness. It glowed, healing his heart. Some breaks need more than glue.
Download it or share it with others. All of this is possible because of AniFun AI. And the link to this platform is available in the video description. AniFun AI provides numerous advantages, making it a perfect platform for anyone interested in anime, manga, or creative projects. Its intuitive interface allows beginners to create high-quality artwork, characters, and animations quickly, without needing any drawing or technical skills. The platform saves time by automating complex tasks while offering flexibility through customizable styles, filters, templates, and models. With a combination of tools like anime art, manga generator, OC maker, and video creator, users can produce a wide variety of professional-looking content effortlessly. To watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel